Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to create a cute bracelet. For this, we are using two colors of beads and a thread. Start with two blue beads, two gold bead, again two blue bead. Again two gold bead. So we have taken two bead, two gold, two blue, two gold. Next you are going to cross this two gold bead using the other side of the thread. Join both the ends and you will pull. It looks like this. One side of the thread you are going to insert two blue color beads. In other thread also you are going to insert two blue color bead and two gold bead. And you are going to cross these two gold beads by inserting the other thread through these two gold beads. Join both the ends and you are going to pull. So it looks like this. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this bracelet. That is, one side you will be taking two blue color beads. Other side you will be taking two blue color beads and two gold color beads. Next you will be crossing the two gold color beads. Next take two gold. And you are going to cross this two gold. You are going to cross by inserting the other end of the thread through these two gold beads. So it looks like this. You have to follow them till the required size of the bracelet you want. After doing them till the required size, the bracelet looks like this. So for last, you are going to insert two blue bead in one side and two blue bead in the other side. To end the bracelet, we have inserted two blue bead in one side, two blue bead in other side. Next, we have not inserted the two golden bead. Instead, we are going to join them in this first golden bead here. So we will be inserting one end of the thread through these two golden beads. Next, you will make a knot. And you can snip off this thread. Beautiful bracelet looks like this. This is how the bracelet looks. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.